So the Difference programme was getting the Year 5 and 6 girls to hopefully find a way to help them to gel and be as one, and to be able to accept that each other as different individuals, but as a collective come back as friends. The programme lasted about 8 weeks, and during that 8 weeks the girls had they stumbled onto an idea that actually in a previous group they really enjoyed writing rap songs. And the rap songs were originally about a teacher, but it was a really positive rap about a teacher. And so the discussion came about in the first group meeting previously to this group, which the Year 6s in this group were Year 5 then when we had the chat. And it was actually it was the decision that actually if we can write a really positive rap about a teacher and it was really fun and enjoyable and it made them feel good, actually we could take this a step further and write rap songs that would incorporate thoughts and feelings and positivity about themselves. So fast forward another year, the Year 5 girls are now Year 6 and the Year 4s moved up to Year 5. So when the girls came together, it was an instant mash of actually we're quite creative. We've done rap songs before. We know we're pretty talented and we're pretty good at writing rap songs in a positive way. We're going to use our musical talents and talk about our differences, share our differences in an open forum, and to involve the Year 5s and encourage the Year 5s to be able to be creative in their own way too. I think the girls have taken from this programme their own strengths, and they've turned what they thought their weaknesses were into strengths. Some of the girls were talking about, that they have dyslexia, and when they first came to the group, they felt that it was something that they maybe had to feel ashamed of, or they didn't know how others would react. And through going through the group and through sharing their experience of having dyslexia, they actually came to realise that actually they're no different to anyone else, and they feel a lot more confident to be able to speak openly about it and to be able to look to the future with more promise and more ambition. And I think that came across in what we did in the session.
I know I'm not perfect.
No, I'm not perfect, but I have something good.
If you didn't know, I'm dyslexic. My friend is too. I have blue eyes.
I have green. I like baking, so do you.
We share the same taste, but have a different view.
Oh.
Bullying, hating and roasting too. What is this? YouTube, Twitter and Instagram too. Yeah, all my friends rapping too.
Oh.
I have brown eyes, I have brown hair. I love singing and the open air because I'm different. Yeah, I'm different. When people just don't understand that they're the ones with the issue, into art, to football, to everything you think of, yeah. You're different, it don't matter. Bullying or doing something badder. Well, listen up, people. We want a good year and we don't want to fall into tears.
Oh.
Difference.
Difference.
You are different.
So am I.
We're all different.
You and I. I have brown hair.
I have blonde.
We're all different.
We share a special bond.
Oh.
Bullying is bad, you should not do it. Girls and boys both bully you, not the odd one out. There's lots of people about. Wait a minute, we got to go. To stop bullying, we're a pro.
Oh.
If you're different to someone else, it doesn't matter. Don't feel bad, because it's fine.
Difference is okay. We all have our own personalities. So don't bully about it. It's just a really good way of friendship building. It's just amazing, and it's really fun at the same time. Like, nobody needs to be worried about it. Like, to be honest with you, I was a bit nervous when I came to Year 5 doing the start thing, because we didn't know what we were doing, and I guess they probably felt the same doing this, so it's I recommend it for other people.
Like, I used to I recommend it because you know that because some people don't really they're quite shy because they think if they say something it could go anyone could find out and stuff like that. But you know that what you say in this group will stay in this group.
Well, because obviously we did it last year in year 5 and we did basically the same thing about body image and differences. So when we heard we were doing it again, I got really excited because I thought the group was really fun last year and we had a lot of fun, and it kind of, in a way, makes new friendships and makes you realise that, be yourself and everything.
Well, at first it was kind of we were both in our own groups, bubbles, and when we saw you for this group, it kind of just, the bubble popped. When you have two bubbles together and they just pop, it kind of, and then it made a new one all together.
Well, I'd recommend it because before I did the group, I felt that I was different and that prevented me from being closer to the other girls. But now I know that even if you're different, you can still be really good friends.
Before I didn't really know the year 5, so I didn't really want to go up to them and ask to play or something, but now I do because I know them better.
Well, you really it really helps us build confidence, and I think it's really helped me talking in front of loads of people.
Well, I think it's brought us all together because normally we wouldn't play together, but now we would all play together.
I think it's made year 5, 6 a bigger group and made more opportunity to be friends, so it's helped everyone become more better friends. Yeah.
I think it's
Same as Nancy. We don't fully understand why bullying isn't banned.
difference is okay.
No way, I agree.
You and I are both different. That's cool with me.
If you have been bullied,
You need to believe we're all amazing, you and me.
We make an epic team. We're all great in different ways.
There's no need to hate. It's getting late.
We're friends.
The end. Celebrate